Let's start with today's weather. Rain is by far the most common adverse weather condition you'll encounter. Sure, it looks harmless enough, but rain reduces your traction up to 55%. Reduced traction means it's a lot easier to skid, fishtail, or hydroplane, which can all lead to an accident. So slow down and leave more room. You should cut your speed by at least 25%. So if the speed limit is 40 miles per hour, you have to reduce your speed to 30.
25%, that's like 1/4, right? Anyway, even if I reduce my speed, the roads can still be slippery in the rain. So what should I do if I skid?
React calmly. Gently turn the wheel into the direction of the skid and ease off the brake and accelerator. And watch out for wet brake. That's when your brakes get wet from driving in heavy rain or through deep standing water. Wet brakes might pull to one side or they might not work at all. Gently push down and pump your brakes until you feel the normal resistance. And even if you don't get wet brake, be sure to leave yourself plenty of room to stop gradually anytime it's raining.
Last year, I rear-ended a car ahead of me. It happened during the heaviest rainstorm in Georgia in 40 years. Surely the rain caused this accident.
Wow, the heaviest rainfall in 40 years. Were there thousands of rear-end collisions all around you or all over the state?
Well, no, I only know about my accident.
But if the rain caused the accident, then surely every car would have rear-ended the car in front of them. They would all have crashed. It was how you reacted to the rain that caused your accident. I'm afraid you were at fault. You should have slowed down and left more room. Did you not know it was raining?
Yeah. I guess it was my fault.
Speaking of leaving room, in the rain you'll need to increase your following distance to at least 5 seconds to prevent any wet collisions. Reduced traction means it takes longer for you to stop. That extra second in your following distance gives you the room you need. And never use cruise control in the rain. If you leave more room, you will reduce the risk. As an added precaution, you may have local rules or regulations that require you to keep your headlights on at all times. But if you don't, be sure they're on whenever you need your windshield wipers. Even a slight mist, snow flurries, fog, or light rain will limit everyone's visibility. Turn on your lights so the other guy can see you, and make sure you can see as well. Use both your windshield wipers and the defroster to clear away rain and condensation that can build up on your windshield. And do you know what happens when it rains in dry or desert-like places?
I suppose a bunch of rain falling on top of flat, dry ground would cause some flooding.
That's exactly right. In dry and desert areas, the ground doesn't absorb water very well. Everything flows to low areas and starts to build up, causing flash floods. And sometimes that water can move very fast and be very deep. So never attempt to cross standing or running water. If there are flooding conditions, your supervisor or dispatcher should let you know if there are any known detours. And last but not least, when you're approaching a bus stop in the rain, always slow down early so you don't splash pedestrians and passengers waiting to get on.